I'm friendly, I'm friendly. I can help you, I'm friendly. Good job, good job.
Do you know where I can go in to repair the roof, or what do I need to do?
I have to do the same thing. A good question. How do we...
I know how to get up there, so I'll give you.
Okay.
Here.
Oh, nice.
Then I think we just...
Yeah, is there something up here?
But how? What? I've been here before, but
Okay. Let's see. Some plates need to be fixed.
I did this like 3 times now.
Oh shit. That's... we're friendly. Yeah, we're friendly. All good.
Yeah.
Do you have any idea how to do the job up here? To fix something? Huh.
We are Repairman, please.
We need help. Yeah, we're not shooting. All good. Just need to repair something up here. But we can't seem to find it.
Look at this. It's not repairable.
Yeah, it's really broken.
Look here, come here.
Oh. Is it this? Did you find it?
I just pushed the button, but nothing happened. Right here.
Okay.
Yeah, I follow you, bro.
Or this one down. Let's see. Maybe we find it somewhere. Oh, it's not this one. Oh, snitch. Do you need this for requests?
Oh yeah. There's
Another friendly person. Maybe he left something. What is this?
I just pushed the button. There was one upstairs. The same button was upstairs.
Okay. Maybe it's a riddle or something. Oh, hello. Everyone friendly?
Hey, do you know how to repair the roof here? It's not closer to...
Snitch, Trapper's Glade.
There's a snitch coming. I have to kill it. Okay. I need parts from that. Maybe you can leave it for me? Oh shit. Ouch. Thank you.
Do you know how to open this button? I press this button here. Or did you did it for one? I think we both have to press one stays here.
Okay, yeah.
I'll go upstairs.
I mean, I cannot interact with it anymore. Can you? Oh, if you push it up there. Yeah, maybe it's a 2 or 3 man job. Oh, there are 4 lights here and 2 are lighting already. 2 are... So you activated 2 of them. Maybe there's 2 more lying around somewhere. Oh, there's another button here. I got one. 3 are lit. We need to find 1 more. Do you want to kill the Rocketeer? I think someone's in trouble over there. He's trying to fight it. Oh, it's coming my way now. I'm good, I'm good. Shit, we got one. Ouch, that hurt. Good job. Everyone okay? Someone got downed, right?
One
Shit. Okay, I don't have a defib. Yeah, sorry, mate. Good job, guys. Yeah, we're friendly.
definitely.
Nice, nice. Does anybody know how to repair the roof?
I think it is another building, not this.
Or does anybody know how to open this? Because we already found 3 of them, but there's one missing. One of these, there are 3 lights on, and like this one on the floor. We have to find these. We found one on the roof, one here, and one I found in another building nearby.
I don't really know.
There should be one more around,
Maybe.
so we could open this, but I.
Don't have so much time. Maybe we need to repair this roof.
Yeah, that's what we thought. We haven't had a look, but it wasn't either. Oh, you already did it. Okay.
Yes, but I don't
Yeah.
remember.
That's okay.
It was difficult to me too.
Yeah.
I think one of these buildings.
Not this roof, I found it somewhere else.
Where is it?
If you come down to the entrance here, I'll show you.
Yeah.
Come here and I'll show you where it is. I found it.
Okay, I'm following. Thank you.
Oh yes, I remember.
Where is our?
There's
There was.
a building. There. Yes, with the flags.
Where's the other guy that was searching for it? Oh, did he get downed?
Unfortunately.
Oh, he died. Shit, he was looking for it the whole time. Oh shit. Yeah, but thank you, mate. Thank you. This one's nice. Thanks so much. Yeah, I'll get out. It's time.
Yeah.
We have to go pretty far still.
Oh yes, guys, we need to.
Yeah, let's go for it. Yeah. It's my first time on this map, but it's really nice.
Yeah. It's really beautiful. I like it.
Oh, it's someone is fighting. Yeah. What is it? That's just a snitch. Let's kill it. Good job.
I forgot to reload my gun.
Yeah.
2 bullets.
Do you also have the bug when you crouch and stand still that the character stands up?
And you can press C and you will crouch forever.
Yeah, but the character stands up. Do you see how I'm standing up now?
No, you're sitting for us.
Oh, for me not. Oh, okay. That's good to know. Yeah. Yeah, they had 2 updates already, and
Hey, don't shoot.
don't shoot, all friendly, all friendly. Oh, there's someone up here, yeah. Hi there.
Hi.
Oh, thanks. Thanks for opening it. Let's get out. Woo! GG guys, GG.
Thanks for the game. Nice
Yeah,
day.
thanks for the help. GG.
Good luck, guys.
Good luck.
Do you know where I can? Do I need to repair the roof? What do I need to do? I did this like 3 times now.
Oh shit.
We have a repairman, please.
We need help. Do you want to kill the Rocketeer? I think someone's in trouble over there. He's trying to fight it. I'm good, I'm good.